Guys, I'm going now to receive my parcel. He's waiting for me, but look at the condition of the road. It's very sunny. Very hot. It's very sunny today. So guys, there he is. Let's go and get my parcel. So guys, I have received my parcel and I'm going home. Guys, look at me. I'm literally, sweating. I'm carrying an umbrella, parcel, and then vlogging. It's really difficult. I'll see you once I reach home. So guys, I have reached home. Look at me, I'm sweating. So guys, I'm sorry for the messy background. I just came back from my class before I went to receive this parcel. So it's messy. Okay, so I ordered a foundation, Mama Earth foundation from Nika. It was on sale, and this is my first purchase from Nika. So let's see. I usually order my makeup product from Purple. Let's see how it goes. This is going to be my first experience from Nika. I ordered 2 products. Here is the bill. Okay. I'm excited. Plus, I don't know how the product will be. Like whether the foundation will match my skin tone or not. Let's see. Okay, so this is Mama Earth Glow Serum Foundation, Vitamin C and Turmeric. Okay, and I bought in the shade Beige Glow 05 Beige Glow, and in the my skin tone is kind of, no, let me just try. Okay, this is how the foundation looks like. I don't know whether it will match my skin tone or not, but I just ordered it. Let me try and see. Okay, someday I will apply this and then give a review. And there is one more product. Okay, and the other product is this beauty blender. I really needed this. Actually, I'm not used to doing makeup, okay, but like I said, something special is coming up, so I really need all this. And this is my first beauty blender. I don't use all this, I just blend with my fingers. Okay guys, so this beauty blender is for rupees 97. Okay, this costed me 97 rupees, and this one, the actual price is 5.99, but I got it on a sale, so I got it for rupees 4.97. I think it's a good deal. And I also saw so many good review about this Mama Earth foundation, so I thought of giving it a try. So let's see how it will go with my skin. So guys, now I'm planning to go to the market to get some stuff, so I'll take you with me. Stay tuned and keep watching the video. Guys, I applied a little amount and look at the magic. I don't know whether you can see the difference or not, but I really love it. I recommend you to purchase Mama Earth का foundation. I really love it. मैंने थोड़ा सा apply किया, फिर भी देखो. And you know what? I applied this without washing my face. Okay. Now I'll wash my face and get ready. I'll see you after this. So guys, I am done with my makeup. This is my simple makeup. Since it's very sunny out there, I have tied my hair and I know I'm looking weird and my makeup is also not good, but I did what I can. And I have used this beauty blender for the first time in my life and I really like it. This is so useful, so soft. And I have applied the Mama Earth foundation, which I really like it. Okay guys, so I'll see you once I reach the market. Stay tuned and keep watching the video. So guys, I have reached the market. Now I have to go and look for my sister. My sisters are there. I'll go now. So she is my sister, my brother. Hi. Hi, Binu. Lumaga. Then let's go ahead. First bag Jaina says so Bina. Back. इधर में go Jaina says the balance Hello. So guys, I'm actually in the market to look for the bag. Nói đồ xin lỗi. Cô lại cái đâu cái nào cô đi à? Cái chuẩn bị. Here, let's go here and check it out. Elojo. Okay. Where to go now? Cakes or Tadi saya sebut. Hello. Let's check out here. Guys, look at this bag collection. So start right there, na there. So start right there, na there. Dam lagi saman. Ayah, ingat aku bina. We are looking for the bag, but we are not getting a good one. These are some of his collection. It's good, but it will not go with my outfit. Itu laga. Hey, bonchi bani we back dukan. No back. Laka, hulia ni. Hulia ke kawa. Ini ya. Aise ke school bag ko la to ko kenyam. Dangor wala khane class lo. Bolo. No good collection, my goodness. Man dangor class ba. Guys, we're so confused. Let's go in and check out here. Ay, online la pa bin no ka. Tadi rakhe dibe. Guys, look at the market. Market te manu hi nahi go aaj do. Idu do school bag kami ase. Pigi we. My God, no good collections. Tadi jena sawani. Let's go inside and check out. Check out. We are looking for the bag, but we are not getting a good one. So we will go to Shangri-La and find out whether we will get a good one or not. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching the video. I don't think we get here bags. We'll just go and check out. Kaham tanaga. Guys, it's really sunny. We are feeling so tired. We have not started our shopping also, and right now we are so tired and I'm also hungry. We will go to Hongkong market and check out. We have reached Hongkong market. Look at this collection. They have good collection here. Yeah. 가보. 알아? 니라 지나만 봐오세. Abnila chana bawas na idwane wapas ashire. Guys, his chana is really tasty, so we came looking for him again. Guys, we are now inside the Avon store. So guys, now we are going inside Hazy Park and we'll check out the bags here. Bag on the market comes up. Yeah, let's go here. And there I should like him more. Ah, dukan bon. Plan you way. Why chabek? Yeah. Wow. We're not getting a big shop. Okay, I think we got one stop. Oh my god, but the collection is not good. Guys, we are hungry, so we are looking for the momo shop. Chi lao chi. We'll go and have momo. Then we will continue our shopping. We're going to have momo from here. So our momo is here. So guys, we came to Hongkong market to check out the bags, but there are no good collections. So we are going back to the market. Came here to check out the earrings. I think we have good collection of earrings. So guys, watch the video till the end. I'll go home and show you what things I bought. So guys, keep watching. Hey. So guys, I am back home, literally so tired, and look at my face. So guys, we went and searched the whole market, but I think there were no good collections. I got one for myself, but I will show you this on the special day, or maybe you will see me wearing this in my next vlog. And I also got myself a pair of socks, a cute color socks, and Avon liner. That's it. I just bought these things. Shopping is still pending, but I will do it next time. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment, and if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.